Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Zello app or Zello.com. And as you can see right here, they basically are a walkie-talkie app. So basically you can just connect with people in your area like a walkie-talkie right here, so you can break free from radio. Thus, push-to-talk walkie-talkie app lives on your phone, put voice to work, reaches everyone, everywhere, every way. So as you can see, if you're wondering if this app is legit, let's head on over here on Zello PPT, walkie-talkie on the Google Play Store. And let's see the reviews right here. So they're actually rated 4.6 out of 5 star with 700k reviews. So as you can see, there are a lot of people saying that they're really good. So let's head on over here to see all the reviews. So the best walkie-talkie app ever made. Options remove floating PPT, buttons no longer available. And as you can see, there are a lot of mixed reviews since there are 700k reviews. So there's gonna be some bad reviews right here. After 10 years, I guess it's time to update my rating. So hi there, hello mates, Squeezy communicate with members. So based on these information or based on these reviews, they used to be good back then, but now they're not that good anymore. So this app is great, pretty good to use. So basically they weren't what they used to be, unlike before. So as you can see, March 2019, they're not that good. And as of 2023, many people are rating 2 stars. 2022, 2 stars also. 2019, 5 stars. And 2023, 2 stars also. 2023, 1 star. 2021, 1 star. So basically, maybe up until 2019, they were good. But as you can see right here also, 2018, 4 stars. So basically from 2021 and above, they were not that good anymore. So yeah, as you can see also right here, 5 stars in 2018. So there are a lot of apps like this that were good before, but now they're not that good since they have updated the app and have made it a lot of hassle to use. And yeah, that is basically it. So it's still a good app, but not at what it used to be. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.